Hello, welcome to the store. I just want to do a quick walkthrough and show you some of the features we have and items in the Myrtle Creek Saw Shop. This is our front counter. We have a lot of specialty items you won't find in any of the box stores. A lot of the stuff is made in Oregon, some of it in Douglas County, and we try to have all the items we can made in the United States. I know that's impossible this day and age, but some of the features we do have. There is a rack of Carhartt jackets and vests. These are the crusher hats, very popular for the outdoor people. They roll up into a little easy to pack. You can see how small that is, and then felt hat, wool hat's what it is. Very popular, it's called crushers. Suspenders of every kind you can imagine, and some of these are made here in Douglas County. These are very popular, I ship these everywhere. They actually clip onto the belt loop for guys that have a little difficulty hooking them up. You hook onto your belt loops. Very well made. High quality leather and some very good elastic. And that was nice. All kinds of them, different colors. These are very popular for the timber cutters. Called the Y. It's got the Y back. Different colors, all kinds of them. Carhartt shirts, gloves of every kind. These are some of these are very nice gloves made here locally. Kids corner, all kinds of clothes for the kids. And all the boots, got the little shoes that are very popular this day and age. You can see how small those are. Kids suspenders, grandpa's helpers, fishermen, Oregon fishermen, just all kinds of them. More shoes. Kids jackets and clothes, some for the young ladies. And as well as the adults. You can see we got a full line for the adults in here. So if you're needing something for your Carhartt needs or outdoor wear, give us a call. 541-863-5387. Here's some of the logging clothes. These are all made in Oregon. Prison Blues, made at the penitentiary. Very well made clothing. And there's more jackets, rain gear. Got the very popular rain gear here. Grundens, very popular. You see that on some of the outdoor shows. As well as the Viking. And the Watershed. Oh yes, I do sell chainsaws. Myrtle Creek Saw Shop. Give us a call.